Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to log in Clash of Clans using Facebook. First, ensure your Facebook application is installed and you are already logged into your account on your device. This crucial initial step prevents issues later. Having your Facebook app open and active prepares your device for a smooth connection within the game, making the entire linking process much simpler for you. Before opening Clash of Clans, always check your device's Facebook application. Make sure you are logged into the exact Facebook account you wish to link with your game. If not, log out and then log back in with the correct credentials. This step prevents potential errors and ensures your game connects to the intended profile, saving you time and frustration. Now, launch your Clash of Clans game. Once inside your village, look for the small gear icon, which is your settings button, typically found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap this icon to open the settings menu. Inside this menu, you will see various options. Identify and tap the Connect button, often colored blue, to begin linking your accounts. Upon tapping the Connect button, a new window will appear, prompting you to log in or confirm your existing Facebook account. Ensure you are linking to the correct profile. Carefully review the requested permissions and then tap Continue or OK to authorize the connection. This action securely links your Clash of Clans progress to your Facebook profile, which is a vital step for game security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.